Good morning, class, and welcome to another lesson with Miss Walcott. Now, today we'll be looking at an interesting and important topic. So, you'll quickly form 4 groups. Good. So, since the groups has formed, I will now distribute some garments, and you will observe this garment and state the topic for today's lesson. Good. So since you have already observed these garments, I like at least 2 groups to state the topic for today's lesson. Anyone? Garments? No, not exactly. Care labels. Yes, very good. The topic for today's lesson will be care labels. Good. So, today we'll be looking at care labels as I just said, and from today's lesson you will define the term care labels and state the importance of care labels. And after today's lesson you will accurately state at least 3 reasons for care labels. Good. So, you're already in groups. I'd now like you to observe the care labels and formulate a definition for the term care labels. Quickly do so. Good. Everyone ready now? Okay, we'll go to first group. That's the group with mark. What you guys have? Care labels are tags found on garments. Yes, very good. One more person. Care labels are tags found on garments. Yes, which entails information about a garment. Yes, very good. And how you can clean for that garment. Good, brilliant students. I love those definitions. I will now share with you the definition for the term care labels. Good, so here we have the definition of care labels. Let's read. Care labels are tags found on garments or fabrics which provides information on the fiber content and specific care needed for the article. So you see, all of you were correct in your groups. So care labels are mainly the tags. It may not be tags because the care label can be printed on the garment itself. One group had jeans with a label printed on the pocket itself. Good. So it may not only be tags. And it includes information on the fiber content and how you can care for that garment or household article. Good. So we got this one more time. Care labels are tags found on garments or fabrics which provides information on the fiber content and specific care needed for the article. Good. So everyone got that now? Great. We'll now move on to the importance of care labels. And I'd like you to pay keen attention to a video clip, and after the video you will state at least 2 reasons why you think care labels are important.
Now, why are care labels so important? Care labels are essential when making the decision to purchase items, especially clothing. Without the guidance of an accurate care label, it would not be known how to properly care for a particular garment, which in the long run could ruin the fabric. So why is it important to read clothing care labels? Now, if certain materials are not cared for in the proper way, it is possible the fabric could rip, come apart, or even shrink. Oftentimes, without proper care labels, colors will run onto other clothes whilst in the washing machine. Or, in fact, some fabrics should not even put in a traditional washer. Instead, they must be dry cleaned by a professional service.
Good. So the video is now over. Did you students understand the video? Great. I'll now like you to state why care labels are important. Anyone? Anthony? It's important for the caring of clothing, yes. But I'd like you to get more into depth with that. It's important to preserving the garment within so that it can last a longer period of time. Yes, that's a fair enough response. Very good. Anyone else? So that the garment can be cared in a proper manner. Yes. Can you explain that? Yes. Care labels are important because it will tell the user or the buyer how to care for the garment, meaning how to iron it or if to iron it, and if it should be washed using a machine or by hands. Yes, that's a good answer too. Very good. Anyone else? Come on. It's important because it provides information on the fiber content. Yes, very good. So, yes, I'm listening. Yes, so that the user or the buyer will know whether or not the garment is suitable for a specific occasion. Yes, that's making sense. Very good. Good. So since all of you understand now why care labels are important, I will now give you the importance of care labels. Good. So let's read as a class. Importance of care labels. The first point we have here: provides knowledge for caring and cleaning the article. So yes, you see that Anthony was correct when he said care labels are important because they provide information on the caring and cleaning of the article. Yes, can anyone explain that? Yes, it tells the user or the buyer how he or she can care for the garment, because remember, every garment or household article may require a special type of cleaning or caring. Yes, because some garments may not be suitable for washing in a machine or scrubbing, and the care label now will tell you whether or not this garment should be washed in a machine or should be washed by hands. Good. Next point. Helps to preserve the article. Yes, it's important for the preserving of articles because remember, these labels now have information on how to care the garment or household article. And if you follow these care labels, you will be able to preserve your article, meaning it will be able to last a long period of time because it will have the right caring it needed for that. So you see now why it's important to preserving or to follow care labels? Yes, so that your article can last a long period of time. Because, for instance, some articles or some garments may not be suitable for the machine again. And you put that garment in the machine, so when it comes out, it ends up becoming slacky and loosey looking, stretched up, and so on. So, it's very important to follow these care labels. Next point. Provides knowledge of the fiber content. of the garment or article. One more time. It provides knowledge of the fiber content of the article, of the garment or article. Yes, so the labels include information about the fiber content. So when persons go to purchase a garment or article, they will check the label before, so they know if it's suitable for the occasion they are catering for. Yes, because remember, some garments or article may not be suitable for every occasion or every activity. And these labels now will tell you whether or not it's suitable for what you want. Good. So everyone got that? Okay. And you now conclude our lesson since you understand why care labels are important. Good. So I will now give you a scenario, and the group that put their hands up first, and if they answer the question correct, they will get a prize at the end of the class. So the scenario reads, Mary went to the store to purchase a dress to attend a wedding anniversary. Before purchasing the dress, she checks the label for the fiber content to know if it is suitable for the occasion. Good. The question is, what is the importance of care labels that is written in the scenario? Anyone? Yes, the group with Mark. The fiber content. Yes, she checks the label to know if the fiber content is suitable for the occasion. So that is the importance of the care label. Very good. So the group with Mark got the question correct, and all of you will get a prize before leaving. And for homework, I will now like you, students, to collect 2 samples of care labels and paste in your exercise book. Don't forget to do so. And this brings us to the end of our class. You can now pack up and leave. And don't forget, you can go home and share with mommy or daddy what is it you have learned in class today.